Hi traders, welcome to 200forex.com. So we will be going to give a technical analysis for the market, and we will analyze different pairs, and we will see as per the price action that how we see the market going into the next directions. So we will be talking about the next directions of the market, and I will be giving some sort of signals. So right now I'm on the AUDUSD chart at the moment. So if you look at here, so previously we have the downward trend on this chart. If we make the trend line from here to here, then it's a complete downward trend. Then what happened? Again, the price has bounced back. Okay, I'm going to prepare another trend line from here so that you can see here. Okay, so guys, there are two ways to trade the market. First of all, you should have you can trade with the good indicators, or the other way that you have the good technical analysis of the market. You are very good in predicting the market based on the price action. Okay, so I'm not going to give very big details about the price action here because I have the coaching session programs for it. So if you want to book your sessions, you can contact me through email, through Telegram or WhatsApp. So today I'm just going to give you some sort of signals. So this is the 1 hour AUDUSD chart, and right now you can see the market is here. So I'm already predicting that you can expect the market to go down from this level, right? So this is the signal that I'm giving on the behalf of 200 Forex pips, that Australian dollar USD basically has reached at the very, you can say that this is the weak zone for AUDUSD, and AUDUSD can give you very good number of pips from this area, right? Okay, now let's talk about some sort of stop losses if we are going to take the trade. So for example, if you are entering the trade right from that point, then guys, at least you should go for the height of the previous big candle. Okay, so once you test it and then you see that how the things should work, so this is your stop loss area. So you should not test it more than this, because otherwise the price can bounce further into the upward direction. So overall this is into the complete weak zone at the moment. So this has the option that the market can go into the downward direction. Okay, so at next, this is the AUDUSD chart, and now I'm going to EUROCAD. So where I will not have any good sort of signals, then definitely I will also supply you with this. Okay, right now on EUROCAD, you can see it's simply making the downward momentum. It's going down at the moment. So it's hard to predict at that level because we do not have any sort of bullish signs, even if I zoom up my chart as well. So don't have the good signals for any buy and any sell. So if you are going to do the market at this point, this would be a kind of a speculation. This will be a trading like you can say that without the proper knowledge. So I'm just going to skip that pair. Okay, somehow on USDJPY I am having a good little bit confirmation, not a very high, but it's a good little bit confirmation that it has to go into the upward direction from this point. Okay, I'm again going to repeat that at this stage a USDJPY can gain the strength, and you can see the market is currently at 110.894, and this could be the level from where the market can have a good boost at the moment. Okay, so USDJPY is basically into the you can say that the bullish zones at the moment. The price is already so much down, and even the price was down on the previous pair USD EUROCAD, but still I do not had the good confirmation. So here I have a good confirmation on USDJPY that's telling me that the market can have the good momentum into the further coming hours, or maybe through the night session. So we can expect something from that area. Okay, so this is all about USDJPY. So guys, we will look for another chart. Just I'm going to check this thing. Okay, so I have given you signal on two pairs at the moment. That was a USDJPY and other one, I think I don't remember which one? I think that was AUDUSD exactly. So make sure that you must understand that USDJPY is into the good position for a buy position. So this is the buying zone. Okay. So at next we are going to look at any sort of signals on USDCAD. Okay. So guys, if you ask me, then still it's making some sort of recovery on USDCAD Canadian dollar. You can see we have 2 to 3 nice bullish candles as well, and you can see the previous momentum of the market. If we talk about the USD CAD, then if I make the trend line from here to here, then obviously everyone knows that this is the down momentum. Okay, but how what I am looking at the moment, that if we talk about the USD CAD, it's still into the weaker zone and expecting the price to be more down from this area. Okay, so this is the prediction from 200forexpips.com. So you know that I work on the price section as well. I work on the indicators as well. You can find the indicator details on the website. So right now, those subscribers who are thinking that USD Canadian dollar have enough potential to make the recovery from here, then this could be a little bit wrong thing, because anyhow from this area, so maybe not sure that how much it can make some sort of recovery. So let me make took another line from here. So just a second please. Okay, I'm just going to take a horizontal line so that you can understand. So maybe the price can even go up to little bit up to, so you can say a little bit up more, for example up to here or maybe here. So let me delete one of them. Okay, so here, and even this candle, the current candle that is pumping up, it can go a little bit bullish. So you must give a little bit space for your trade. It doesn't mean that if you have entered from here, then it means that the market is just going to follow you right from this area. So what I mean to say, that even if the market bounces back a little bit up, then again from anywhere from that area, as per the signal, then I'm going to put another. So maybe again from here you will see the price is going to bounce back again. Okay, so still I will say that that is still going into the downward trend. Okay guys, I'm writing in the chat box that if you have any questions about USD CAD from this point, and any of the question you can simply ask here. For asking questions, I'm just writing through my cell phone. Please comment here in chat box, right? Okay guys, I have just commented one of the quick comment that if you want to if you have any questions, then you can simply ask into the chat box, so that I can just review your questions, and maybe I will be able to help you. So every question will be answered. Okay, so guys, I hope that you must be clear about USD Canadian dollar technical analysis, that this is still into the downward direction. So things are looking still bearish to me. At next, I have another thing, that is in another currency pair, that is USDCHF. So guys, I have to look the market with my perception, that how I feel about it. So that's why. Okay, so guys, one more thing, I'm just going to put a trend line here so that you can understand what I am talking about. So from here to here, just look at the here. This is called the proper upward trend. Right now, the proper upward trend, this is all about USD CHF, right? We are still into the upward trend. Now I'm going into the zoom in my chart again. So guys, where the price stands at the moment, so what I can say, this is the good time to enter for a bullish zone. Okay, so if you go to my Telegram channels, today I have supplied very good signals, and even I have supplied the different signals in the past week as well, based on the price action. So today I'm just giving the signals based on the price action, that this is the price where we can expect the market to go into the upward direction. So let me clarify here, guys. Those subscribers who are willing to book their coaching sessions with me for the price action, I just teach the price action for 1 hour. And to be honest, trust me, after 1 hour, you will be expert of the Forex trading, and you will be no more going into the losses like other traders who place their trades and all of the trades go into the losses. So it will be not like this. Your losses will be wiped away from your trading. Yes, but I don't say that that's kind of 100% thing. But you can say that the price action is like 80% to 90% thing, that if you go with the right decisions and if you have right confirmations, then you will be able to catch a very good trades on as per the basis of the price action. Okay guys, right now you know that this is the slow time for the market. So the market can behave slowly, and you will see that the market is going to be ranging in the next hours. But just keep these things in your mind, because it's good that we have seen the full flow of the market today. So overall the market dropped today, but again I am going to repeat that this is the good time to buy USDCHF. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if I am going to recommend anything that it's a good time to buy and it's a good time to sell. So it does not mean that I am recommending you any very high lot size. So this is not my point of interest. I just want you to learn this thing with the lower lot size. Even you want to play the market with 0.01, that's fine with me. So with 0.01 you can be a better trader instead of the trader who is using one lot size without any knowledge. So don't do like this. Even with 0.01 you will be able to trade the market very nicely. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask here in the chat box, and the live chat box is open, so you can simply ask your questions. And today we are going to analyze so many things today, and just keep those things in your mind. You can prepare the notes if you have a copy and the notebook with you, and you have a good ballpoint with you. Then you can write that what is my prediction on the particular pairs, and you can write and then analyze those charts for the tomorrow's trading, or maybe through the night. You will be able to find some sort of good signals. Okay guys, now look at here, the arrow is already here, because when I have thrown the signal of EURJPY 1 hour chart, and already the market price was here, and I picked that arrow, and I was expecting that the market should go down, and with the grace of God you can see the market is already up to that levels again. Okay, so it already hit our signal hit. So basically when I'm analyzing the market, so I'm using the price action. Also I use the 200 Forex PIPS no repaint indicator. So let's see if I have any signal about EURJPY, because I was bearish in the previous days. So guys, overall the pattern doesn't look very suitable near me to give any sort of signal. If you look the pattern from here to here, down, then up, and again down, and still it's not very much picture is clear. Yes, definitely at these points we had some bullish options to go with the trade, and they are already completed. And then here we have a drop that I have already predicted on EURJPY, but right now I'm just going to skip this pair because I don't have a good confirmation to. So if I don't have any good confirmation, so it is 100% that I am not going to recommend anything to my subscribers as well. Okay, if I look at New Zealand USD, yes, definitely this looks like a very good flow of the market. Now I'm going to pick a trend line from here to here. So very sweet upward trend is going on, and if I make the trend line like this, so guys, what do you think about it? That's very simple. The price is basically going down, and I have a very good confirmation as per the price action here. So guys, what I will say with no doubts, I will say that I am very much confident that the price should should lose its momentum from these levels. Now when I say that the price can lose the momentum from these levels, it doesn't mean that from the same candle the market is going to pump into the downward direction. So I could be like maybe up to here, or maybe sometimes up to here, but not this much. I mean, if so, what could be the, for example, even if you have just entered the trade on NZDUSD from here, so this could be your maximum stop loss at this point, and 0.69901. So this is your stop loss. I mean, I never advise my traders to put your stop losses like this, because if you are going to do like this, it means that your price has already break the range. So this is the area. I mean, if I put another line here, so this is the gap. This is the gap. I mean, this is the gap. This is the gap where from the price can bounce back. So just keep this thing in your mind. This is what I am looking, that from this area. So it could be this point where the market is actually right now. It could be little higher, or it can also go and touch the blue line as well. So the top blue line, this could be the momentum from where we are expecting. So I'm overall bearish on NZDUSD. Right, next we have Bitcoin USD. That's strange the world. That was quite volatile from many days. So guys, to be honest, at this point, I'm not going to advise any way to anyone to buy it or to sell it, because both of the patterns are not very much good. But I am just going you to give one hint here, that if you find the price to be just a second, let me put the horizontal line. So just at this point, that if you feel that the price is breaking 483807 from this level, okay, so right now where the market is, so if it comes back and break the price 48388.007 on Bitcoin USD, then guys, I'm going to give you the advanced signal that it will be the selling zone for Bitcoin USD. Otherwise, buying zone is very risky for this. At the moment, the price is already so much high, and you know that it already crashed a couple of times, so it's hard to say that where it is planning to go. But overall, you need to play with on the safer side. So the safer side is the sell direction, but not now, because I have given you the level from where we can expect it to be down. Okay, the other cryptocurrency that we have at the moment, that's ETHUSD. So let's talk about ETHUSD. So that's very simple. If I pick the trend line from here to here, that's going very simply up. Okay, so simple, it's making the upward pattern. So this was the good time where the first candle, let me zoom it, where the first candle, this one, pumped up. That was the good time. Let me put a blue line here so that I can let you understand that where it was good to buy it. So this is the horizontal line. So guys, this was the good time to enter into the trade for Ethereum. But unfortunately, we have the, I'm just going to give you the analysis here. So we have the resistance at this point as well. So the top blue line says that this could be a possible resistance, because if you look at this area, if I put my arrows, then you can see it was rejected from here first time. And then if I go from this area, it was rejected from this line. So guys, we need to see that what the third hit comes up. If the third hits come, if it breaks the level 3482.61, and if it keeps on going up, like for example, let me put another line so that you can you should not do any mistake. So for example, if it stands up to this level that says let me put, yes, 3542.97, this could be a safe zone to buy it again. So 3542.97 for Ethereum, so that will be a good point. Okay, so hopefully you're very much clear about it, because right now we are also near to the support, so that's why I'm not advising anyone. So that was a scalping chance on ETH, so that was good for scalping on that time, but not right now, because you need to wait here at the moment. Okay guys, any questions, please use the chat box option and you can simply ask the questions here. Okay, the next one is ETHUSD. We have XRPUSD. Again the same thing guys. XRP, here it was the good time where we have a long bullish candle. That was the good time, and right now you can trade it, but we are a little bit late, but still you can trade it, and you can trade it up to like 1.0764. Okay, so stop losses should be like if you put the line here, so the stop loss should be this one, 1.0218. so from here at that point, if I give that, still the market is looking to test this level. Okay, so this is the key things that you need to look for. XRPUSD, basically based on the price action, this has a good enough potential, but this is the key zone that from where you should have to exit before that trade. Okay, So hopefully you are also clear about XRP. Okay, we have discussed. Okay, pound USD. Pound USD. So guys, already I have put the arrow because when I am just going to do the technical analysis for my side, for myself, for my trading, then I have already given the arrow on this candle that it's down. So guys, very simple, get ready to take the sell positions because I am very much bearish on this one. Still the price can have a good flow for the downward trend. So pound USD into the selling zone at the moment, so things are looking to be bearish to me. So let's see, because we have the strong upward trend before, but I hope that this should be the end of the upward trend, and from here we are expecting the markets to go down on pound USD. Okay, so hopefully if we analyze the charts, because this live streaming will be available on YouTube after we will be done with it, so make sure that you understand that what I am talking about, and so that it should be easy for you to get the grip of the market. So better, that's why I have advised you that those who are watching this live stream, then they should prepare the notes and they should write down the predictions, so that tomorrow is the good day. But if there will be any change, then our signals will also be changed. Okay guys, at a very good point on AUD US dollar, I am saying that this is to be into the downward direction. So maybe the flow can be very massive, and even maybe that's possible. Let me pick the line here so that I can let you understand that what I am talking about. Okay, so maybe this could be the drop option, that once the drop will come up to here, then it can test up to 0.72389. So this could be the point on AUD USD. And same thing, that if we talk about the previous trend, then we can say that that's the trend line. So if we make the trend line from here to here, so guys, what do you think? That's very simple, that the market has already moved up, but I'm still bearish because I'm not expecting the market to go further down, so it should have a downward flow from that level. So guys, again repeating that AUD USD seems to be bearish to me from the current price. Yes, it can flow a little bit up, and then again it should go down. So hopefully this should be clear. So guys, if you have any questions during this session, during this live stream, so do not forget to ask me in the live chat option. So live chat option is allowed so that you can chat with me and you can ask your questions about the technical analysis of the market. Okay, at next I'm going to throw light on EURUSD. So guys, again I will say that the previous trend is pumping up, but it's kind of a mixture at this level. But overall, if you ask me for the weight, then I'm slightly slightly bearish. I'm again repeating that slightly bearish, not very heavily bearish, because it looks like to me like for example, if you look for this area that the market bounced little bit down, and then again it pumps into the higher direction. So that's what I am expecting on EURUSD, that it could be deception here. So for the short term, the market can go a little bit down, not very much higher, and again it could flow a little bit up, and then we will have again chances that it will be following something like, for example, let me put the line here, so that, because it's important that I should teach you with arrows. So maybe it again comes to that area, and from again at that point, that will be our selling zone if the market again retests that level. Okay, so right now if you want to take any position on EURUSD, I don't advise, but still if you are very much willing to take a position, so I would prefer sell for the scalping purpose. But if you personally ask me, then I will look for the price to bounce back up, because still we have deception from here to here, from here to here, and the deception is ongoing. So I'm again expecting the market will bounce back a little bit higher again, and then we will be in a position to sell it again, and this could be the option in my books at the moment. Okay, so that's very much clear. At next we have, I think we have already discussed about pound USD. Yes, pound JPY, Great Britain pound JPY. So guys, I can say that's kind of a confident signal that's I'm bearish and not very much highly bearish. So this could be the neutral bearish trend for Great Britain pound JPY, like for example this one, and from here the markets get some sort of stability, and after that it dropped again, but looking for some drop, but overall with the medium approach, not with a very high approach. Pound is strong at the moment, so be careful, but overall for the purpose of selling, this is a good option. Okay, USD CAD. Okay, I think so we have already highlighted USD CAD, that it's not into the a good area where we can analyze the market very nicely. Okay, EURJPY. So guys, what do you think about it? Because I have already given the signal today, and I think today or maybe yesterday, that it was sell, and it already went down. So right now it's not at a good point where I can explain anything, so let's skip it as well. That's not good. Okay, okay, at AUDJPY. So guys, this level is very very important. So I will say that if we have a break, just if it makes the bearish pattern, and if it's going to break this level, like this level, that's called 80.700. So here we can expect a selling chance on AUDJPY. That could be the selling zone for me. So buying is very tricky and selling looks good to me. The price is rejected very nicely, so guys looking to sell it, I don't prefer to buy it, so be careful. AUDJPY is not into the buying zone. Yes, now I come to the point that yes, in the previous week I have given the buy signal. If you go to my Telegram channel, then you will be able to find this from the history of the channel, that I had supplied the buy signal in the previous week on, I think, Friday, that it's into the buy, but right now I'm changing my decision that buys went enough, so expecting that the market should go into the downward direction from that level. Okay, at next we have Great Britain pound AUD. Okay, so guys, make sure one thing, look at here, it's just making the if I put two lines so that you can understand it in a wiser way, because that's a very important thing, because I just see new subscribers that they play like this. This is not good for their trading health. So another line. So guys, if I put the line here to here, so if you look at here, the market is moving actually in between these two blue levels. So that's not good for a trading health. Let the market breaks that level. So for example, if it breaks this, this up to here, and if it breaks this one. Okay, so this is the point where I'm going to explain Great Britain pound, British pound AUD. So guys, if it breaks either on the side, if it breaks 1.87460, and if it breaks the downward direction 1.85943, then guys, sell and buy according to it. So write down these levels: buy for 1.87460 and sell for 1.85943. so do not trade this pattern. This is called this is where somewhere the market is not taking any decision, so please make sure that you should enter at the right time. Okay, Euro Great Britain pound. Oh yes, very well. So Great Britain pound, Euro Great Britain pound, a very good signal is coming. So let me give you, first of all, let me take the line from here. Okay, somewhere here, that's fine. Okay guys, just note down that level. That's the key level for Euro Great Britain pound. So I'm again repeating, that's the key level for Great Britain pound, Euro Great Britain pound. Okay, so I'm going to delete the previous line. So guys, if it breaks 0.85 475, then I'm looking the things to be very much bullish, very good bullish on euro, Great Britain pound. The price can break this area very nicely and it can flow up to here, like for example, it can go, maybe it's going to be testing this point 0.85900. But again, I will repeat that this is the condition. If it is going to break 0.85475 on euro, Great Britain pound, then it will be into the bullish trend and going to test 0.85900. Okay, but if it breaks below, then you need to wait here, because we do not have any other option at the moment. Okay, so euro AUD is the next for us. Okay, so not clear, guys, not very much clear. So to be honest, this is not easy. But if you ask me my recommendation on euro AUD, then this is my recommendation from that, but from that area. Use tight stop loss. Okay, like for example, horizontal line and going to, this should be your stop loss. The top stop loss should be tight, and then play with the bullish position, not with the bearish. But overall, things are very tricky on euro AUD. It's not easy to predict at the moment, but still, if you want to trade, that's the bullish trade, not the bearish one. Okay, guys, at next, Canadian dollar JPY, simply I'm going to ask from this level where it is at the moment. So go for the, this is the, this is the, here, what happened. So let me put arrow. Okay, so we are expecting the market to be down from this area, so it can test, the next level, that is 87.799. okay, so Canadian dollar JPY to be bearish from my side. So looking the things to be bearish on Canadian dollar JPY. So this is going to be the good downward move that could arise anytime. So just wait. This could be followed with the long candle as well. This could be going to follow the small bearish pattern. So you need to go with this. Okay, guys, we have Tesla. Okay, so you know that some traders trade Tesla. Okay, so if we talk about the Tesla, amazing, that looks to be that was bearish to be here, but right now it's not very much clear. Okay, so we will not talking about, we are going to talk about the next things here. Let's see Amazon. So if we look at Amazon, so just a second please. Okay, guys, if you look at Amazon, then definitely I can say it's a good time, very good time to buy it. Okay, I'm again repeating, it's a good time to buy Amazon from this level. Okay, so if you go to your brokers, so many of the brokers have the option to buy, there is Amazon listed into their terminal, so you can go for Amazon. This is the good time to buy the Amazon. Okay, so this is the good thing that we have seen, because every price is not always in our ranges. Okay, US30, let's see what's going on here. Oh wow, that's good. Okay, already we have a drop. So guys, what can I say, but still, if you want to trade, that's the bearish on, that's very much bearish on US30. But make sure that you should use the tight stop loss. Your stop losses should not be very much far, they should be near, like for example up to here. That's the maximum stop loss you can use, and you can target this area. I mean, you do not have a much gap with it, but if you want to trade, then you can trade it up to this area, that is 33588. okay, so your stop loss should be like this, and from trading from this point, and you must be targeting this level. Okay, so gold, so already taken a trade on gold today. So guys, at the peak, at the moment. So overall, if you ask me, then now what are my suggestions for tomorrow? So the it could be, so tomorrow I will give the final signal, but to be giving the early signal that it looks from the condition where it is at the moment, it looks bearish to me on gold 1 hour. So guys, today you know that I am giving the signals based on the 1 hour chart. So it looks to be bearish to me from this level, the gold versus US dollar. Okay, NAS 100, so not sure, the price is not clear. US 100, so let's see what US 100 is going to do. Not sure, the price is dropping and we do not have any signs to give. US 500, okay, a good time to, what should, US 500 guys, please note down that with a tight stop loss like I have mentioned before, it's a good time to buy it. Okay, so this is the buying zone for US 500, S&P 500. So this is the good time to buy it. Okay, so this is how you can do it. XAGUSD, so let's see XAGUSD. Yes guys, very good option at the moment. I mean, if you ask me right from this point, I would prefer to sell, not to buy. Okay, so silver slash US dollar, note down that signal, that XAGUSD from spot where it is at the moment, I am looking for a good sell, not a slow sell. That could be a good sell. Maybe the price can even go very much lower. So prepare yourself for this signal. Use the tight stop losses. Okay, what else? NZDJPY. Okay, so guys, to be honest, it looks like to be bearish to me, and I would just apply the bearish signal. So no other signal on New Zealand JPY. So it looks bearish. CHF JPY. If you talk about here, definitely things are very easy. They are not pretty much involved into the difficulty. So this is kind of a bearish signal from my side on CHF JPY as well. AUDNZD, oh, that's a good pump up. So, but it doesn't mean that you are going to plan a good trade, because look at this area, what it's doing. It's basically playing in a rectangle, so that's not good for the trading health. Just sit and relax and wait for it. Let it break the first range from the top, then buy it. Otherwise you should not be interested into it. Okay, that's the EURCHF, not a clear signal. Leave it, we are going to skip that chart as well. AUDCHF, so if we talk about AUDCHF, it's also playing in a range up and down. So not going to advise anything, because the newbie traders, they are looking to scalp the market. Okay, so Great Britain pound CAD. So guys, look, from this candle I was bearish, but somehow the price has maintained a little bit higher level from here. But still I will say that if you find any opportunity from where it turns bearish again, sell it. This is the selling area for Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. This is not a good time to buy it. This is the selling zone. So now we need to wait about the price. That's what we call swing trading, that maybe for the 3 to 4 hours it goes against you, and then it will take a U-turn, and then price can be back. For example, that if I explain that maybe from this area, if it goes up to here, then again we will be following the downward trend. So I'm bearish on this one. Okay, so personally I have also taken the trade on Great Britain pound CAD. It's running at the moment, so overall I'm bearish. So Euro NZD, where it is. Okay, Euro NZD, just have a look on this one. So guys, already prepared the signal for my subscribers, thrown it into the Telegram and WhatsApp channel as well. So guys, from this candle I was bullish, and you can see it is going bullish. It is testing the new area heights, so it's going to be bullish because I have a very good confirmation on Euro NZD. So it looks to be bullish to me, and I have already taken the trade on this one, and it's running at the moment. Okay, so guys, we have covered almost most of the currency pairs in this live streaming. So if you have any questions, you can simply ask into the chat box. If you have any questions, you can simply ask it, because that will be good for you. So let me see if I have skipped anything. Apple. Okay, if you talk about the Apple, so right now it's into the bearish zones still, but I'm expecting that it will again make a little bit upward momentum and then it will go back again. USIL, very unpredictable, very unpredictable. Look at this thing. The oil prices were moved so much high, but still it's not a good time to trade that one, so leave it. Okay. Oh yes, a very good time to CDFs on silver US dollar / OZ. So guys, if you ask me what is my signal, that's very simple, that I am looking for the things to be into the downward direction. That's a very simple. Again, note down this, that US dollar / OZ, looking the things to be down from this level, so be careful. Okay, rest I think I have covered almost everything, so maybe we are again to do technical analysis tomorrow, so I'm sure that I will again find the time and will do with you. So hopefully guys, if you like this technical analysis, then please throw your comments into the comment box, and those who are willing to learn the price action just within the 1 hour, they need not to worry. They will have the best mentor, and they will say that after the coaching it will be proved that when they will look at the charts, they will be saying that it's very good to it's very easy to analyze the charts at the moment, so everything should be fine. So be careful that what the points that I have highlighted in my live session, so you need to follow them very strictly, and never hold your trades and never extend your stop losses. So once your decision has gone wrong, then you are not going to change that decision. So admit your losses and then look for the better entry again. So guys, please throw your comments into the comment box. Please compare the technical analysis for the tomorrow market, and maybe after the night you will be able to find some good signals that we have discussed today, and then let me know that how you find the 200 Forex pips technical analysis. And at last I will say, those subscribers who are willing to book their price action trading sessions with me, those who are willing to get the no repainted indicator and signal service, for all this please contact on email, Telegram and WhatsApp. All of the links are provided in the description of this live streaming below. Thank you for watching this live streaming.